Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to remove this pigtail right here. So in order to do that, we actually have to move a couple brackets. We're actually going to remove this whole, almost quite a bit of the guts out of this thing. So first off, we're going to remove these two screws right here and right there. So pull those things out. Alright, next you're going to want to take some pliers and you're going to want to pull on this piece right here that actually locks in everything. So this piece right here locks in your phone cables as well as your pigtail for your power. And you're just going to want to pull it straight through the unit, rotate it around a little bit until you can actually pull it through. As so. So this is the old one. Now don't put in the new one yet because we're actually going to be removing the power board which it connects to. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is we're actually going to want to move the camera down so you can actually see. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is the process I like to do. I like to remove this motor board right here. So this is the motor board, so just remove your two connecting cables in there. Looks good. And we're going to want to remove the turbine manifold power right there. And this gives us access to the motor board. This is the motor board right here. That one screw wasn't held in there very well. So this is the motor board. We do not replace the motor board unless there's a failure of some sort. So just remove that, place it at the side. Now we have access to other pieces. So this is the fan right here. Remove the fan power. Now we have access to the one screw here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start removing the tubing. Now the way I like to do that, I like to pull out the sense line pieces. Makes it a little bit easier to access. So I just pull those pieces off. I mean, they're very good at showing you where everything goes. Remove, I think that's the flow diff, but just remove those pieces. We're going to be removing the temperature, I think that's a temperature coupler right there. Remove that. Alright, all my tubing has been removed.